All business groups support the government's call for caution and restraint in the wake of the favorable court ruling on the West Philippine Sea case. They also support the holding of bilateral talks to resolve the dispute. More details from George Bandola.
Business groups call for caution after the country's victory over the West Philippine Sea dispute. Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry says people should wait for the government diplomatic officials and not to make any actions that may instigate further conflict within the disputed islands. Allegedly, some Filipino fishermen tried to enter the disputed shoal but were driven away by Chinese coast patrols.
Ibig sabihin, may mutual respect. Ang talagang solution dyan is to be able to agree, on whatever benefit the two countries can get out of it.
We hope that China, being a part of Asia, being a big brother, they would deal with us.
Barcelona believes that bilateral talks with the Chinese authorities should immediately follow. Foreign Chamber Council President Abdul Ghani Makatoman added that China remains the Philippines' #3 trading partner. Even more, it has been one of the major sources of economy of all the countries. Makatoman believes that a joint exploration is possible.
Marami tayong pinagsamahan at pagsasamahan pa. So ako'y naniniwala na dapat ay joint na lang.
Federation of Philippine Industries President Jesus Aranza calls on the people to remain guarded. Barring any pressure from other countries, China will eventually heed to the arbitral tribunal's decision. Aranza also commended President Duterte's circumspect after the decision.
He knows when to be aggressive and he knows when to calm down. Yan ang kalidad ng isang presidente. Tumahimik muna. Huwag mo nang dada sana sapagkat it's not helping our country.
For PTV News, George Bandola.
Hi, ako po si Aljo Bendijo. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.